Hey friends, if you encounter the error installation ended prematurely because of an error, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process to fix it. The first solution is a check the scan. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on Run as Administrator in the right pane. Type the command chkdsk space /r space /f and hit enter. Then press Y and hit enter once again. The next solution is to restart the Windows installer service. Search for services in the Windows search bar and open services. Now scroll down to the Windows installer service. Right click on it and then select start or restart, whatever option is available. And the last solution is an SFC scan. So search for command prompt in the Windows search bar. Click on Run as Administrator. Type the command SFC space / scan now and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.